Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare matoke the Kenyan way. I'll take you through my ingredients for today. Green bananas, potatoes, cooking oil, crushed garlic, fresh coriander, onions, chili beef cube, boiled beef, curry powder, and tomatoes. I'm going to chop my onions, fresh coriander, and tomatoes, and then I will be peeling my green bananas and potatoes, and I'll be putting them on separate bowls. Now, before you peel your green bananas, you have to apply oil on your hands so that the green bananas won't mess up your hands. Now I am going to add cooking oil on my saucepan. Then I will add onions. Now I will let my onions cook for a while. Then add my crushed garlic. I am now going to add garlic. Now this is good enough. I am going to add my tomatoes. Now I am going to sweat my tomatoes. I am now going to add 2 chili beef cubes and curry powder and let it cook for a minute. I am now going to add just a little bit of coriander. I'll add my boiled beef and let it cook for 5 minutes. And then I will be adding my potatoes. This is good enough. Now I will add my potatoes. I will simmer them for 5 minutes before I add hot stock, that is boiled water. Now I am going to add hot water. I'm going to let it cook for 10 minutes and then I add my green bananas. I am now going to add my green bananas. The matokes are doing good, as you can see. I am now going to add salt. You really have to be gentle because I don't want my matokes to break. We are almost there. In about 5 minutes, the matokes will be ready. Now the matokes are ready, as you can see. And as you can also see, the matokes are ready. Here is our matoke. If you like our recipe, don't forget to comment, share, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.